8 easy and healthy baby food recipes. It can be an exciting time when your baby starts eating solids. There are so many options and flavors to explore. But as you start getting into making your own baby food and wanting to give your little one the best nutrition, the options and methods can also be overwhelming. Today, we're sharing 8 easy and healthy baby food recipes to help take the thinking out of making homemade baby food. These puree combinations are loaded with the best nutrients, flavors, and are so easy to make. Try making several or all of them in bulk and freezing in an ice cube tray to have easy-to-serve healthy baby food ready and on hand. 1. Zucchini and apple baby food recipe. This zucchini and apple baby food recipe is perfect to start combining vegetables and fruit in a puree. 2. Carrot butternut squash baby food recipe. Carrots mixed with butternut squash are great for little ones with sensitive tummies. And tasty, too. 3. Sweet potato and green bean baby food recipe. Mixing sweet potato and green beans is a classic way to give your little one the veggies they need. 4. Asparagus and rice baby food recipe. Is your baby ready for a balanced meal? Try combining steamed and pureed asparagus with infant rice cereal. 5. Peas and avocado baby food recipe. This creamy combination is tasty and perfect for teaching your little one how to love green foods. 6. Pineapple and spinach baby food recipe. While it might sound like a unique combination, pineapple is loaded with vitamin C and blends perfectly with the spinach flavor. This nutrient-dense puree is great for babies who are ready to take their food to the next level. 7. Beets and blueberries baby food recipe. This baby food recipe is loaded with antioxidants and healthy vitamins. Just be ready with a cleaning wipe or cloth since beets tend to be messy. But totally worth it. 8. Banana oatmeal baby food recipe. This recipe combines 3 amazing and healthy baby food options into a puree. Steamed kale, mashed banana, and infant oatmeal. Delicious and loaded with nutrients.